Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Farah and I'm a mandala and Zentangle artist, and I do run a small business out of my art. So in today's video, I really would love to back all the Black Friday's orders that I got during the Black Friday sale that I have run, and I really would love to documenting as much as I can from this whole backing process, because it's such a really long process. So I will be trying to film all these steps. Before we get into the video, I really would love to thank everyone ordered from my shop during the Black Friday sale or even before or after. So thank you so much. You are truly making my dream come true. And now let's get into the packing. So here is the current situation. As you can see, everything is just like a prepared, but they need all to be packed and ready to ship. So the mission today is to get everything packed and ready to ship. And I'm super excited to back all of these things because in this container, and these are actually all the originals that actually sold out and finally find a new home. So we're gonna get all of this done, so let's do that. So here is some of the orders that I truly need to bag. There is still many more to bag. I think there is a 50 orders in total. So here is some of them. And there is a lot of originals as well, and some like more prints. So here is what you can actually see, because that's what it fit on the table. And there's still many originals that I still need to bag. I think there is around like 10 or 10-ish. I don't really know. So we're gonna see right now, and I will try to bag as many as I can today. I will absolutely need my assistant help, which is also my sister. So that's why I call her a sister. So now let's get into packing. So I started by writing all the names on the thank you cards, and if you know, you know, I never miss an order without writing the thank you card by myself, especially like at least writing your name to show how much I really appreciate your order. So no matter what you spend on my shop or whatever your order is, I still write your name on the thank you card by myself as a very special thanks. So even when my sister actually, which is my assistant, back your orders, I still do write the thank you card by myself to show how much I truly appreciate and grateful for all your support. If you know, you know, this was my tissue paper that I used to just like pack all the orders with it. But because I ran out of it and it's kind of impossible to get it like to my country now because of the like the custom clearance and everything. So I wasn't able to make any more from this tissue paper, unfortunately, although it was really my favorite. But I have ordered this as like it's the same color, but it turned out to be it's a roll, and I really need to cut every single piece according to the size that I want, which is unfortunately it's such a crazy thing because I need to just like cut every single thing right now before I start even packing, and I'm even not happy with the quality. But anyway, I need to use it because I don't have time to return it or order any other options. So that's what we're gonna pack with. So it was way too hard and really frustrating to cut it. So I asked Hala, which is my assistant. I don't want to keep saying my sister, so you need to get it. My sister, her name is Hala. So I just asked her to help me with cutting all this paper because it was really so hard. But I did not give up on doing that because I really need to pack all your orders. Even though it was like a teeny tiny mini sticker, I still want to pack it beautifully. So when you are unpacking your order, you feel that you are actually having this nice experience, especially because you're actually getting it on the new year. So I really want to give you that nice feeling when you are actually unboxing or unpacking your order from me. So now the thank you cards are ready, the packing paper is ready. Now it's time to pack all of your beautiful orders, which is I'm so freaking happy. It was like really a very great moment. I'm packing your orders with my two little or younger sisters and in my room, which has happened to be my studio, let's say, or working space, because I don't want to call it studio. I'm still dreaming of my dream studio. But it's from my room and my working space as well. So here we go. So the sunlights start to say goodbye, and I was like really not done with the backing yet. I still had so many to just like back. So I don't know if I will be able to finish all the backing today, but that's fine because we have still tomorrow to bag the rest of the orders before Monday so we can ship everything by Monday. So finger crossed we can bag as much as I can today and see what we will have like for tomorrow. Hello again and welcome to day two. So yesterday I couldn't pack all the orders, so we're gonna finish the rest of them today before the shipping day, which is tomorrow, Monday. And gonna finish all of them to pack as much as I can. There is I think like two orders that include like a custom things. So I'm still waiting them to get done before I just like pack everything. I think that's all for today. That's what I really need to get done. I look like a dead person because I don't know, I did not sleep well and I got like a pimple on my face, which has never happened. I don't just like get like pimples on my face usually. And trying to make things just like feels better today for me. Hopefully now when I start packing your orders, it's gonna feel a little bit better. Let's get started. So in today's packing session, I'm gonna pack all of the originals that I got sold out. So as you can see, I have many sold out, which is I'm so beyond grateful because I really need to clear my storage really so urgently. And I'm so beyond happy and grateful for this one to find finally a new home because it was like the hardest thing for me and like the most piece that got a lot of work and a lot of time. So I'm so happy that this one already find a new home and the same for the rest of them. So now let's get into packing. Go there. Like I don't know why I'm doing that because I know it will end up all. That's fine. All around the box. I think I'm not gonna do anything. Yeah, just keep it like it is. I really want to talk to you about something that I really, you can obviously say, but I still really want to talk to you about it because I'm feeling so freaking grateful every single time I pack an order or something. And especially like when I add like a multiple items inside one box and just like ship it to you, it's truly makes me feel so freaking happy and I truly like feel something deep down like I'm proud of myself and I'm just like doing something I really love and you guys are actually loving the thing that I'm creating. It's something really so overwhelming in a great way. So I'm truly just wanna thank you guys for always supporting me. It just like I had that feeling like deep down whenever I'm really back in order for you that you truly makes me feel something so incredibly amazing inside. So thank you so much for keep supporting me and supporting my business and actually keeping me and my sister, which is my team, like busy all the time. So thank you so much for that. Okay, now back to the orders. I was trying my best to just like film every single order I have, but because like it's really hard and it's take longer time to just like pack and film at the same time. So that's why I decided to just like pack as much as I can and documenting that and the rest of the things can be just like packed without actually filming. But if it doesn't like it's not included in my video, that doesn't really mean it's not worth it or something. Every single orders mean a lot. Order means a lot to me. So thank you so much. So for this next order is actually something I was extremely happy and I truly made like a happy dance when I got this order because it just like has two different artwork from my originals that have been on my shop for really just like a good time. So I was just like so happy when it's finally find a new home. And if you don't know, I've been running a huge sale on my shop for my originals and I truly felt so extremely happy whenever I just like got an original sold out because there I'm planning for something for the next year and I don't really want to talk in detail about it. So but it's a must to clear out all my storage and all like the inventory I had. So I truly felt so extremely happy with every single original order that I got. So next to pack is some prints, and if you know, you know, I truly love packing prints order because it's just like flat and really easy to pack, doesn't really need a lot of effort, and it's really just like so neat when I'm done with the packing. So I truly love packing prints. But the special thing about these prints are actually because they are, let's say, like the first, it's not the first but actually one of the most loved print on my shop, especially after the originals blow out. So I'm so like just like really so freaking proud of these prints, like the quality and the printing results just like turned out to be great. So it's just like easy to pack them, and I truly love that. So I hope you are actually enjoying the packing process and not finding something like boring to watch. So I hope you are actually enjoying so far. Hello again. So today is Thursday and I was like just supposed to ship all the orders by Monday. But like a lot of things happened that stopped me actually from doing that like that last Monday. Cause the first of all I just like got some like originals that doesn't fit on the boxes, so I ordered more boxes for them. And the second thing that I couldn't finish all the custom thing, which is I have these two custom wooden letter that I need to finish. So these are also one of the things that I still need to finish today so I can ship them, hopefully, finger crossed, this Friday. And last thing, actually, because I was a little bit depressed and I couldn't feel really myself. I was just like really not like doing anything. So I just like take a break from everything to just recharge my soul to be able to just like keep doing what I was doing. So I took the break and now I'm feeling pretty good. And I'm feeling just like super ready to start working on these two custom pieces and bag the rest of the order, hopefully, and just like ship everything tomorrow. Like these will be dry by tomorrow for sure, but the thing is that I really need to make sure that the boxes also are like delivered today if I did not get any delayed. So let's see. I don't know, but finger crossed. So the box is supposed to get delivered today, but I don't know. We are still seeing because they got delayed like twice. So we will see. I hope they just like arrived on time. And I just like pack everything and ship them all tomorrow. And now let's get into work.